Hello guys, so this is going to be the tutorial video for Emmanuel. Now I'm going to be going over the counting and some of the key signature things that you need to look at, but mostly this is going to be the overview and then you're going to be doing it on your own. So first things first, when you get a new piece of music, and if you are virtual, you are going to be playing the A line, all right? All virtual students are going to be playing the melody, okay? Now the cool part is that if you want to make a really fun recording, or if you want to play with some friends, playing the B and the C parts are going to be absolutely gorgeous, okay? But the A part's the melody. Then if you record yourself, you can record yourself again on B and C and make your own trio. Or even better, you can play with a friend and you and a friend can pick out which parts. As long as one person plays the A part, it'll sound good. All right, so let's look at our time signature right here. So time signature, time is numbers, always having to do with how many beats are in each measure and what kind of note gets the beat. So we have 4 here on top. That means every measure is going to have 4 beats and our quarter note gets the beat. So already there's something strange here. Look at this. This little note right here, and every A part has it. If you're a trombone player, don't freak out because I'm using the treble clef stuff here. We're just talking rhythm, so everybody's music matches. This is called a pickup note. What we've done is we've taken from the last measure 1 beat, cut and pasted it up here. Okay. Now, how does this work in real life when you're playing it? Well, what you do is you say 1, 2, 3, and then you play on beat 4 right here. So I'm going to clap measures 1, and that pickup measure doesn't count. It's not a full measure. This is like measure 0. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm going to stop here after this dotted half note. Okay. Now I'm going to do it at the performance tempo. O Come Emmanuel is a very slow and very pretty song. So here's how you do this pickup note. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And I ended right here. I hope you were clapping with me. That is the maximum speed. We are not going any faster than that. It's a slow and steady song. In fact, I covered up this word up here. This word is andante. Andante is Italian for a walking speed. Okay. Now, you can walk several different speeds, but if you're a teenager, you're probably not walking very fast. Teenagers, especially in the hallways on the way to class, they're not in any hurry. Same thing with this. Not in any hurry. Notice our dynamic is piano. And so when we're clapping it, we're going to clap it nice and smooth. All right. So now I'm not going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4 on all these things, but I want to draw your attention to the dotted half note. The dotted half note is 1 to 3. Then this beat 4. If you notice something fun, this little beat 4 kind of acts the same way as this pickup note does. This beat 4 leads to the next measure. Same thing here. Dotted half note is 3 beats. Then you play beat 4, and it is a pickup to measure 7. Here at measure 8, be careful because that's only 2 beats after you've had all those 3 beat notes, and then 1-3 right here. All right, guys, that's the rhythm, that's the speed, and that's how to count this little pickup note. Have fun. Your assignment is from this pickup note here at the beginning all the way to the end of this dotted half.